YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don1914 here to bring you another sneaker review, another unboxing. And on foot, the on foot part, maybe we'll do it on foot. We'll see. Let's see. I'm not sure you know how I feel about this silhouette, but I did like it, you know, when I seen it in the hand in the stores, but I didn't see my size in hand. So I hit for this pair on Nike. They were sitting, so this will be my first time to see my size in hand. So wanted to go ahead and bring to you an unboxing straight from Nike. Let's get into it. Fresh off the birthday weekend, you know, just want to say I appreciate everyone who, you know, sent their birthday wishes and things of that nature. I appreciate you. If you're returning to the channel, thanks for tuning back in. If you're a newcomer, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and subscribe up to the channel. We bring nice detailed reviews on this channel. I'll try to keep it clean, no kid friendly, things of that nature. So let's go ahead and open this box. Cool. Alright. So here's the label. You know, I did go with a size 10.5 in this silhouette. So they do fit a little snug with that sock. And so it reads, so Air DT Max 96, white, black, Vegas gold. Vegas gold, and it's only fitting that I put my Raider Nation gear on today for this silhouette. You know, we got that dub this weekend. Shout out to all Raider Nation out there. But yeah, here's the shoe. Okay, cool, nice. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the review. I believe this is called the Colorado Away Air DT Max 96.
Rachmaninoff.
All right, cool. So let's start off with the box. So of course you got that, you know, OG box style with the Nike swoosh on top. You got the Just Do It right there on the side. Got your Nike right there on the other side. Got your Nike right there. Nike branded on the bottom of the box. And here's the sizing tag here. So it reads Air DT Max 96, white, black, Vegas gold, size 10.5, personal pair. Cool. Does come with one set of paper. Nothing else in the box, no green stamps or anything like that. And you get your box dimensions right there. That's it for the box. So let's get directly into the shoe. Super clean, in my humble opinion. All right, so let's start with the outsole. The outsole, you get your hits of black, white, and that Vegas gold. Gold Nike swoosh right there, the forefoot. And the heel of the shoe, you got your gold hit with a see-through little plastic covering there. And inside of there, you got Deion's face. So that's dope. I think that's probably one of the dopest, I guess, touches of the shoe, in my opinion. As we move up, you got your midsole. You got that all black midsole with the hits of white coming down off of the top of the shoe, coming down into the midsole. You got that clear air bubble going all the way around the heel of the shoe. Upper, you got your white streaks with your black on in between that. You got your gold Nike swoosh there on the upper. As we move around to the toe box, you got that, you know, like I said, plush, nice leather white toe box. You got your mesh on the upper part of the toe box. Moving up to the mesh tongue, you got your rope laces. Got your leather strap with the black Nike swoosh on it. You got your mixture of a football goal post and a home plate, because Deion did play both football and baseball on the top of the tongue. Again, you got that nylon type of neoprene tongue with that hits of, like, you know, the rubber portions on it as well. Pretty dope, man. The same medial size, same as the lateral. You do have another Nike gold Vegas swoosh on the top. On the back of the shoe, got your Vegas gold Nike swoosh hitting off that black with the air right there with your pull tab. Let's see, let's go on the inside of the shoe. See what we got. You got shoe paper. inside of the shoe, it does say Diamond Turf with the baseballs and the football as well, with your sizing tag. So you can see that. See if I can get you a good picture of that. Yeah. That's how your insole should look, with your white insole predominantly. And that, yeah, that's pretty much the shoe. I mean, you've seen reviews of the shoe before, so it's nothing too different, but just the colorway and the color blocking sets it off. So yeah, with that being said, let me jump back in front of the camera, give you my true thoughts and opinions, and see if we can go ahead and hit you with that on foot. So that was the review of the Air DT Max 96 Colorado Away colorway. You know, tell me what you think down in the comment section down below. You rocking with this pair? Is this a definite cop? You think this is a keep? You know, let me know your thoughts below. And the funny thing is, I only paid $150 for this pair. I think it was like, I think it came to like $153. I don't know if it was because Nike was having some type of sale, or it's my birthday month. You know how they do to give you that 10% off for your birthday month. So I don't know if that was the case, but I didn't pay full price for this pair, so that's pretty dope. And yeah, I do like a couple things. I do like that. I do like the leather on the shoe. I mean, it's a nice grain of leather on this shoe. It's not nothing, you know, to get too excited about, but it is a nice grain soft leather. And I do like, what I like on this pair versus the black pair, is that the nubuck, this doesn't have nubuck. The whole shoe is just leather. So that part I really like. I love the hits of gold on the shoe, on the swooshes, and just a clean black and white, you know, shoe. So, you know, will I be keeping the shoe? I'm not sure. So, you know, I was teetering on whether or not I want to do it on foot, but I think I need to see these on foot. Sometimes you get those shoes where you gotta reserve your decision making until you see them in hand. And there are some shoes where you gotta reserve it to where you see them in hand and on foot. This is one of those pairs where now that I see them in hand, I gotta see them on foot before I can make my decision on whether I want to keep these or not. You know, it is a clean colorway, but yeah. So, you know, again, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in once again, supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all the birthday wishes out there. Shout out to Raider Nation for the dub this weekend. Hopefully we can keep it going. And yeah, let's hop into this on foot. And until the next cop, your boy's out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, they're flashing on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.